The seasons come and go like thoughts of you.
I bet many have been in this situation, working in a cafe but hesitating to open sensitive files because people nearby might see, or remembering how stunning a 3D movie felt at the cinema, yet wishing that same depth could exist at home. This is the INAIR 2 Pro AR glasses, lightweight, foldable, and built to deliver a 135-inch, yeah, you have heard it right, 135-inch immersive screen in front of the eyes. This review covers 4 key features that define the experience: real time 3D transformation, multi-mode viewing, electrochromic lens control, and privacy protection. Inside the box, the glasses, a foldable case, a USB-C cable, a cleaning cloth, and swappable nose pads. Also included a pair of uncut lenses, user guide, and yes, dual stereo speakers are integrated into the temples. INAIR 2 Pro uses dual Micro-OLED displays with a combined 3840 by 1080 resolution, 120Hz refresh rate, and 49 pixel per degree edge clarity. Visuals stay crisp across the view, no blur, no distortion. To unlock the 3D transform feature, the device must be connected to a computer, either Windows or Mac OS, via a USB-C port that supports DisplayPort output. Once connected, the 3D transform software activates automatically. It's powered by INAIR's AI spatial rendering engine, which performs real-time depth inference and 3D reconstruction on regular 2D visuals. By analyzing visual layers in live applications and media, the system introduces spatial depth. On screen content appears layered and dimensional, responding naturally to slight head movement. Now, just a quick note, the real experience is hard to show on video. You will need to experience it by yourself. It cannot be portrayed. Well, wearing the glasses, it genuinely feels like watching a 3D movie at the cinema. Only this time, it's running on a regular computer. And no spatial 3D files are needed. Inside 3D Transform, it's also possible to switch between different viewing modes: web page mode for balance and readability, game mode for consistent motion rendering, and video mode for responsive and immersive playback. In game mode, the transformation becomes more intense. HUDs, minimaps, and dynamic UI components respond to slight head motion and depth cues, giving the scene structure and dimension. During gameplay, objects naturally pop forward or settle into the background, creating better spatial awareness even in 2D games. Fast actions feel more tactile and the display remains smooth due to the high refresh rate. Switching to video mode, cinematic scenes gain additional clarity and atmosphere. Foregrounds and backgrounds detach slightly, mimicking a more lifelike visual experience even with standard video files. This is particularly noticeable during depth heavy scenes such as aerial shots, wide frames, or dialogue sequences where subjects are framed against detailed backdrops. Dialogue scenes feel more natural, and the screen responsiveness ensures that subtitles and motion remain fluid. Depth intensity can also be adjusted manually. It's not just about switching moods. Viewers can fine tune how much spatial effect they want based on the content, whether it's for more comfort or stronger immersion. There is flexibility to find the right balance. There is even a privacy screen toggle. Activate it, and the laptop screen goes black while visuals stay visible only through the glasses. Privacy mode is also accessible from the INAIR Space app, which is a software used for multi screen expansion, and I'll talk about it later. Once it's on, the laptop or computer screen fades to black, while visuals remain fully visible inside the glasses, perfect for working in public. Emails, documents, or creative work stays hidden from nearby people. Combined with front lens dimming and directional stereo audio, the INAIR 2 Pro keeps both visuals and sound personal. Great for coffee shops, restaurants, airports, and shared spaces where privacy and focus really matter.
just like your mind.
INAIR Space unlocks multi-screen mode, supporting up to 4 virtual displays within the field of view. Screens can be placed top, center, left or right with flexible size and layout control. The result is a full workstation. Browser, chat, file manager, video, and even video editing without a cluttered desk. Yeah, I always put my YouTube on the left and the voiceover on the right, and in between, on the main screen, I do my editing on Final Cut Pro. It feels like using multiple monitors, but in a clean, minimal setup. Great for remote work, multitasking, or staying productive while traveling. In my case, I use this for multitasking, and in my girlfriend's case, she uses it for entertainment. Well, the lenses feature swipe based electrochromic dimming. Swiping forward on the left temple darkens the lenses for distraction free focus. Swiping backward restores environmental visibility. In immersive mode, the external light is blocked almost entirely, close to 100%. In transparent mode, light transmission adjusts from 0.1% to 16%, reacting fluidity to ambient brightness. This keeps the view comfortable and reduces eye strain across lighting conditions. The dimming complements 3D visuals, giving the screen a focused, cinematic backdrop without distractions. Moreover, it comes with an auto-tinting function which will be available with the in-air pod in the future. For gamers, mobile creatives, remote workers, or anime lovers, in-air 2 Pro fits into daily life. The 3D transform gives depth to flat content, while in-air space adds a layer of productivity and privacy. From cinematic viewing to focused work, it's made for users who need more than just a screen. Well, for Tia, one screen is enough because she is enjoying watching movies everywhere using this in-air 2 Pro. Well, I've left a link in the description box. Go ahead, check the product. But as usual, I don't believe in affiliation. The link given in the description box isn't an affiliate link. If you want to buy this, you can buy it from anywhere. I'm just sharing my honest opinion with you. Me and my girlfriend Thea, we both are in love with this in-air 2 Pro. If you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.
You came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time, just like another season.